Using Afterpay at Sam's Club is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Visit the Sam's Club website or contact their customer service to confirm the accepted payment methods. Look for information about Afterpay or other BNPL services. Select the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon to proceed to checkout. Select Afterpay as the payment method. If Afterpay is supported, there should be an option during the checkout process to choose Afterpay as your payment method. This might be listed along with other payment options like credit cards. If you already have an Afterpay account, you may need to log in. If you don't have an Afterpay account, you might need to create one. After selecting Afterpay, you may need to go through a quick approval process. This may involve providing some personal information for a credit check. Once your Afterpay account is linked and approved, review your order and confirm the purchase. Make scheduled payments. Afterpay allows you to pay for your purchase in installments. Ensure that you make the scheduled payments on time to avoid late fees.